हेलो, आप हैं श्रुति के साथ on My Second Nature, and as you know, इस पूरे हफ्ते we have been discussing how to rewrite our story or rather learning from Alpa Kapadia Telly. Hello Alpa, how are you?
Hi, Shruti. I'm good and so happy to be back.
Oh, lovely. So, this whole month, as you've been teaching us, you've been telling us first, you taught us how to eliminate our energy. In case you missed, what are we talking about? Eliminate energy? What? Well, it's going to be linked up here, there, somewhere. Just click on it and you can go to that episode. After that, Alpa, we discussed the different masks and she gave us some really, really good Harry Potter, similes and metaphors and explained us very nicely. And again, if you're wondering where, it's linked right there. Go to it. And from there, we of course discussed conditioning, which was, a couple of days back. After which, we discussed how to eliminate shadows. And that was a very, very important and a powerful episode because half the while we roam around with our shadows without really knowing why we're doing what we're doing and how it is affecting us. So that was especially powerful. I loved that. Now, today, because now this journey is well into this way, and Alpa, with you, we've been discussing how to rewrite our story, and we're constantly, but the moment we hear rewrite my story, it affects us on multi layers. One side is, of course, that within my inner psychology, I begin to think what we little bit discussed last week as well about, conditioning and about my inner world, how that begins to change and how that shapes up. One is that. The other side is how my external factors begin to change and what my external side begins to do when I start to rewrite the story of mine. So today, let's get deeper into that. How and when and where do we start from when we are trying to rewrite our story? ये जो अंदर और बाहर की दुनिया है, कहाँ से करें इसमें?
हाँ, ये बहुत beautiful question है. The key to this question lies in a Sanskrit phrase. And when that Sanskrit phrase is translated, it gets translated to Jaise Drishti, Vaise Srishti.
Wonderful. Wow.
Which basically says that the way you see the world is how you will perceive the world.
Correct.
So two other quotes which are in line with this. One is we see the world as we are, not as it is.
Correct.
So that's
Yeah.
the other one. And the other one here is when you change the things you look at, the things you look at change, which
Yes.
tells us that where our attention goes, it starts changing. Our attention is such a powerful thing.
Yeah.
And we are like that magnet. So we are attracting who we are.
Yeah. Yeah.
So what is the outer world? Outer world ये चीजें हैं जिसको हम touch कर सकते हैं. People, places, situations, things. The gross world outside is the outer world.
Correct. Correct.
Now this outer world is constantly sending us some stimulation, some stimulus. So somebody spoke to you nicely, somebody spoke to you badly, you got fired from a job, you had a bad relationship, you had an amazing holiday, various kinds of stimulus is coming to us.
Correct.
But how are we perceiving it? Because at a point of time, there's loads of data coming to us.
Yeah.
Now we are not able to process all of that data.
Right.
So we are processing only that data which is coming through the filter of our past experiences.
Yeah. Absolutely. Yes.
तो हमने चश्मे पहन रखे हैं
हाँ.
और उस चश्मे से जैसे वो चश्मे का जो कलर होगा
Correct.
उस हिसाब से हम दुनिया को देखते हैं.
Correct.
तो जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल कोविड आया, बड़ी मुश्किल हुई सबको. नाउ इफ माय चश्मा इज दैट इसमें भी कुछ अच्छा होगा, एंड आई focused on myself, on my health, on my immunity, on my family, on actually building relationships, I saw it as a good thing.
Yeah.
But if I said ये दुनिया ही खराब है, भगवान तो है ही नहीं, and I could have spent a 1 year in misery. So how you reacted to that situation? I know it's an extreme example. We don't have a pandemic every day.
Yeah.
पर हर एक अपनी usual जिंदगी में भी ये आती है. You get these situations many times.
Yeah.
So basically, we view the outer world through the filter of our experiences, which makes up our inner world.
Yeah.
जैसे मैं बोलती हूँ, we live in our mind.
Yeah.
This is what makes up the mind. Our thoughts, our beliefs, our perceptions, our judgments, the meaning we attach to the events that happen constitute our inner world.
Right.
So the meaning we attach to the events that happen in the outer world constitute our inner world.
Very interesting. So ये जो outer and inner world है, and here we're trying to rewrite our story. So yes, one thing is very obvious, that all these things that you've spoken about, how we tend to perceive things, what is the impression, you know, those tinted glasses, basically. How do we take those tinted glasses off? Or if it is not possible to take them off entirely, how do we switch the lenses? How do we do that?
हाँ, सबसे पहले तो ना वो ग्लासेस पे धूल साफ करनी पड़ती है, बिकॉज
Okay.
बहुत धूल जम जाती है.
हाँ,
यू नो, इट्स ये भूल करता गया, धूल चेहरे पे थी और आईना साफ करता गया.
वाह, वाह, too much. Yes, yes.
So we try to change people around us, thinking कि उनकी गलती है, उनकी गलती है, उनकी गलती है, but we don't see really how we are attracting that in our own life.
Correct.
So the first step always is radical honesty with yourself, radical awareness.
Yeah.
You know, this needs you to be really look at yourself as you would view another person.
Right.
And like we spoke about shadow mastery last time, you know, where we said it's so difficult to look inside,
Yeah.
to say, really, am I responsible for what's happening to me? Now that's scary.
Yeah.
But to know that you are responsible for what's happening to you and nothing else is responsible.
Correct.
So when you have that clarity, okay, something is happening to me, I need to shift something.
Yeah.
So just radical honesty, and a good way to do this is looking at the situation from different lenses. So, you know, when we are in a fight, don't just think from your point of view. Also say, what could be the reasons why the other person is behaving the way that he's behaving?
Right.
Or she's behaving. So give it a thought. Okay, that's the way that person is behaving. Then you view yourself as a neutral observer. You are watching both these people talking to each other and saying, okay, what's the deal here?
Yeah.
Like, you know, where is she coming from? Where is he coming from? And then you view it from a 30,000 feet view. In the long-term scheme of things, does this really matter?
Yeah.
You know, and then look at how much it matters and react accordingly.
Yeah. मतलब उस moment में ego is reacting, or can you actually maintain this intellectual side and say, okay, in the long run, it doesn't matter. It's very difficult. In that moment, बहुत मुश्किल होता है. लेकिन
अरे
चलो
intellectual भी नहीं है.
हाँ.
But एक awareness है कि यार, we are, you know, like you said, we are at many layers, right?
Yeah.
Achha, by the way, this technique that I taught to you is called perceptual positions in NLP. It's an NLP technique.
Oh, nice.
So
Okay.
thinking from your side, thinking from the other person's side, then looking at it as a neutral observer, and the fourth position, looking at it from 30,000 feet view.
Right.
So
Nice.
this is a technique of NLP which I have shared with you. So people can also look it up to see कि क्या है वो चीज, you know.
Correct.
पर ये है कि यार खुश रहना है ना जिंदगी में, and we all know that we have a body layer, a mental layer, an emotional health layer, an energetic layer, we have an aura.
Correct.
तो हम भी तो इतने सारे layers से बने ही है, you know.
जी.
So little awareness of that कि where is this coming from? Is this my mind? Is this my intellect trying to be right? Or is this really my soul who is hurt about something? तो थोड़ा introspection जरूरी है.
So like you said, the first bit is that we should clean the lens, right? So the cleaning of lens would also be clean thoughts. It would also be that how do we keep clean thoughts, which you've also dealt into in the past, you know, the couple of episodes this month that we've been doing. You've also spoken about that. What is the next step from there? So once we have cleaned the lens, which in the first thing itself is quite difficult, लेकिन जब आप वो कर लेते हैं या आप underway हैं, वो कर रहे हैं, साथ में what else?
So the next step, Shruti, is to choose the lens you want to wear. तो ये तो हमने कर दिया कि हमने सफाई कर दिया कि अब हमारा जो कचरा था हमने निकाल दिया. Then you think, यार, this is where I want to be in my life, and if I have to be this person, okay, if I want to achieve this thing, what do I need to be? Do I need to be a negative, pessimistic person, or do I need to be a growth-oriented and optimistic person? Right. And then I consciously choose कि मुझे कौन सा, you know, who do I choose to be as I'm doing what I'm doing?
Right.
Because we are, after all, human beings. We are not human doings.
Correct.
But we are doing so much. हम सोचते ही नहीं है कि हम है कौन. Like अभी एक HR head को ले लो, you know, an HR head needs to fire people in the case of a pandemic. It's really tough times, and we know that. But is he doing it in a compassionate way? Like, is he being compassionate as he's doing it, or is he just being casual or, you know, nonchalant while he's doing it?
Right.
So that being aspect is what we need to choose consciously. Okay. As of now, we function on autopilot. कि हम तो ऐसे ही है भैया, you know. No, choose. How do you want to be? Do you want to be an understanding partner? Do you want to be an understanding daughter? Do you want to be an understanding friend? Or do you just want to be this reactive person who is emotionally littering everywhere that person is going?
Yeah.
Because you are throwing your emotions, which are unprocessed, because you've not bothered to look at them, on everybody else.
Right.
So are you contained and consciously choosing? वो बोलते ना कि if I bang into you with a cup of coffee, what's going to come out of the cup? It's going to be coffee, because you will give what you have.
Yes.
So who do you want to be as you do what you do?
So we pick and choose the person that now we choose to be and want to be. We've taken all these different elements. Some might be a little close to our personality. Some elements might be very drastically different. And that's why those are the elements we wish to change. How do we do that then?
I really believe, Shruti, that we don't need to be bigger or better or anything like that. We really need to be more of who we really are.
Correct.
And that's why I do shadow mastery, because I don't believe कि सबको गांधी जी बनना चाहिए या सबको Queen Elizabeth बनना चाहिए. You be who you are. What is your purpose? Why are you born to this planet? Right. And just being, when you are doing yourself, there's no doubt.
Yeah.
Like when you're just being who you are, you can never get it wrong. I can never be wrong in doing Alpa.
Correct.
But if I'm trying to be Shruti because I like the way she talks, or if I'm trying to be Modi because I love the way he leads, I'm going to be a terrible Alpa in the bargain.
Correct. Yes.
So be more of who you are, do more of what aligns with you. इसलिए मुश्किल नहीं होता है ये काम. हम लोग क्या करते हैं, हम लोग सोचते हैं कि कुछ बनना है, इस कंपनी का CEO बनना है. We start acting like that guy, we start dressing like that guy, we start eating like that guy. Arey, but if you be the CEO, then who's going to be you? Like your place is empty,
Yeah.
So apna, like fill your own place.
Yeah. No,
especially
another the thing that happens is एक image भर दी जाती है हमारे दिमाग में कि अगर अच्छा बनना है तो ये है qualities of being अच्छा, and then we forget in the process, like you said, we forget who we are. We start following ये जो image भरी हुई है हमारे दिमाग में conditioning की वजह से, पिछला episode जैसे भी बात किया था कि because we know that's how we have to be, then we start chasing that अच्छाई, in the process forgetting who we are. So be as authentic to ourselves and figure out who we are. That is, I think, over here really, really prime. And do as many exercises as it's possible to figure out आप कौन हो and आप अपनी जिंदगी कैसे आगे जी सकते हो. Right?
Correct.
Right?
Yes. We can't be who we are unless we know who we are. So the first step to becoming who we really are is to know who we really are. What are our thoughts? What do we believe about things? What are our beliefs? What are our values?
Correct.
So for you, say for example, intelligence, honesty, and trust are the most important values. For me, it could be fun, adventure, and love.
Yeah.
Now, there's no right or wrong, but I am me and you are you.
Yeah.
So the more you are embodying the values which you are born with, the more happier you are in life, the more content you are in life.
Yeah.
So a good way of understanding yourself and knowing who you are is reading self-help books, watching self-help videos, listening to podcasts like these, and also getting a coach, understanding that they have these tools and techniques which help you understand who you are, what are your values, what's your purpose, what are the gifts and talents that you are born with.
Correct.
So not everybody could do a podcast. It's so easy for you. It's effortless. I've seen that. You're so effortless with it. It's not the case with everyone.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
So do more of what you love, understand that.
Yeah.
And take pride in who you are. Don't try to be this other person, but just embrace who you are.
Right.
For example, मैं एक real life example देती हूँ क्योंकि वो बहुत काम लगता है. I don't enjoy cooking so much. I am this very, change the world kind of person. Like that Margaret Thatcher, she told her husband, I don't want to die washing a teacup. I resonated with that. I'm like, yeah, dude, I'm not doing the stuff. Like, okay. But when someone tells me, Alpa, you cooked very well, मुझे अंदर से खुशी नहीं होती है.
वो नहीं होती.
Thank you.
Okay.
But अगर मुझे कोई बोल दे कि यार तेरा coaching session के बाद, I blew my mind, I light up like 1,000 bulbs. Because it's my core strength, it's my core value.
Yeah.
So when we receive, like I told you, good podcast, you're like yeah, because it makes you happy.
Makes you feel good.
It's what,
yes.
It's what, and it's also what you like.
Yeah.
So when you get recognized for what you like, it gives you this satisfaction inside. It's not just a perfunctory thank you.
Yeah.
अंदर से तृप्ति होती है.
हाँ.
So how will people know what you're good at? Show them. दिखाओ अपना सही जलवा.
Correct.
So people can appreciate who you are.
Yeah,
You know?
yeah. Very true.
Yeah.
Nice.
So get a coach.
Yeah.
Basically. So Shruti, ये बोलने की बात तो है, but sometimes it is better to understand it visually. You know,
Yeah.
then it makes it real for us. A lot of us are
Correct.
very visual people.
Yeah.
So I can share something with you, which would be easier to understand for our listeners.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Okay, ठीक है.
Oh wow, this is very interesting. Okay, yes, tell me about it. Yeah, what is this that I'm looking at?
So Shruti, as I started working on my own journey in my own life, and as I was thinking through life and why this was happening and what was happening, I started sketching. So I've done lots of models. This is one of them.
Right.
And it started off with a small drawing in my book, and it has gone through many iterations before it reached here.
Right.
So essentially, this was a very beautiful way of explaining our inner outer world and how does it work. It works because we have the story making machine in our head.
Okay. Yeah.
So we have the story making machine, which is basically a processor. How we have a computer, it's a processor, right?
Right.
Now we have inputs coming in from the outside world, events, people, situations are constantly giving us triggers and making us respond or react.
Correct.
But we are viewing this through the filter of our past experiences. So for example, we have had a bad childhood and we have been left alone.
Yeah.
We are carrying forward a fear of abandonment.
Right.
Now, if somebody in our adult years betrays us, all those fears of abandonment come rushing back.
Yes.
And very often people put up with bad relationships because they just don't want to be alone.
Yeah.
But if they are able to understand that, yaar, ye to mera past experience hai, does not have to define my present right now, and I can really change this if I want.
Right.
How do we change it? By understanding this machine.
Right.
You know, this machine has already processed some data. It has told you people are bad, they cannot be trusted. You have to do this all by yourself. You cannot ask for help. You have to wear a certain type of clothes. You have to eat a certain kind of food. All these beliefs are already processed.
Correct.
So this is a meaning-making machine that we have. So before we can change our stories, we have to identify our stories.
Right.
It's the same thing we did before we can remove our masks. We have to know our masks. Before we be ourselves, we have to know ourselves.
Yeah.
So before we change our beliefs, we also have to know our beliefs, which is what I believe we are getting into in the next segment. So that's a good segue for you to get into that.
Yes, wonderful. So yeah, this is what we're going to discuss next time. Is that what you're saying? Oh,
identifying
nice.
and destroying your stories.
Ah, lovely. So very nice. So I like how you have, see, these are all things we constantly hear about. These are things which all of us, ऐसा नहीं है कि ये कोई नई बात है जो पहली बार हम सुन रहे हैं या समझ रहे हैं, लेकिन उसको समझने के तरीके बदल सकते हैं. Sometimes we, come across something, we understand it a little bit, वो थोड़ा अंदर जाती है बात, लेकिन पूरी तरह घर नहीं करती. तो all these different tools, especially the such a wonderful tool you've given us, जो diagram that you've created, वो देख के थोड़ा बात और गहरी अंदर जाती है कि this is not something, a situation that's going to happen from outer space to you. It is a everyday situation. You might be going through something, and currently if you are going through something, do reach out to us. Tell us, what do you need help in? Because till Alpa, at least for this month, till the time that she is in discussion with us, you can reach out to her, you can reach out to me, you can DM us on our Instagram accounts, or if you feel comfortable to, you can definitely leave a comment right here and get Alpa to answer it. Right, Alpa?
Absolutely. Happy to.
Yeah. Okay. So then today, when we are discussing in Rewrite Your Story Mein about the inner world, outer world, and right at the end, you've given us this beautiful thing where you also made us realize कि हमारा जो दिमाग है वो एक story making machine है. अब कैसे उस story making machine को हम break करें? How do we rewire ourselves? That's something that we're going to learn the next time, right?
Yes.
Okay. So today, to wrap up the session, what is the one thing that should be our takeaway, or what would you like to wrap up with?
जैसे दृष्टि वैसे सृष्टि is
Correct.
the crux of what we spoke today.
Right. जैसे दृष्टि वैसे सृष्टि. On that note, we're going to see you the next time. This is me, Shruti, saying bye-bye on My Second Nature with Alpa Kapadia Telly.